Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing, guys. And let's first just have a quick look at the Bitcoin shorts here, alright? So what we can see here is basically a quick pump up, right? And that is pretty dangerous, guys. I mean, if you're short right now, I mean, you know, a ton of people went short, right? When a ton of people do something, it's not a good sign, okay? And it literally pumped up 50%. So, I know it fell slowly. That's definitely slowly, right? But this was literally in 8 hours, guys. Right? If I put on the 8-hour chart, look at that. Basically in 8 hours, like from here to here. So about 40% in 8 hours time. That is pretty dangerous, okay? So that is just looking at the short side, guys. And also, of course, we are still on our plan, right, of going to the 618 up here, but you have this 5 wave. I mean, I still think it's a really weird 5 wave. I cannot count what 5s in here at all, especially the first one. I cannot count it at all there, right? But it doesn't really matter. We will most likely go to the 618, and that is if you take your Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, and you will get the the 618 up here, guys. I still have a cold, so you know, excuse my coughing and all that. But yeah, the 618 is still at 7482, and the 65 is still at 7566, right? And that is where I'll be looking to you know, start building my short position for the, at least for a full down, right? And if we take that fall, let's just take the low. We have the low right here. Let's say we go to the 618 or even to the 65, right? But let's just say the 618 here. Then I'll be looking at least for a 382 and possibly a 618 fib retracement, right? Which, if it goes all the way to the 618, it will basically give us 13% on the downside as well. So definitely good shorting opportunities coming up, you know, once we get into that zone. Not yet. We peeked into it a little bit, but I still think we will go there, right? So guys, just keep that in mind. And possibly, guys, because of the shorts that I just shown you, we could go even a little bit higher, meaning not the 618 or the 65, but even all the way to the 786, right? Which is at 79, okay? People are talking 77, etc. Well, that is not a fib level for me. So if we do crush through here, which I don't expect, but it could happen, we could see 79, right? 786 right here. So yeah, keep that in mind as well, okay? So that is pretty much the update that I have for you guys, right? So there's nothing much going on here. Now, this looked pretty scary, not gonna lie. This candle right here, this 4 hour. Because the big wick to the upside, right? And then we have the little body on the downside. That means, I mean, that could be a bearish candle. However, that's on the 4 hour, on the 6 hour as well. But if you go on the higher time frame, so 8, 12, so this still all needs to form, right? And the 12 hour still looks pretty okay to me. So yeah, it looked a little bit scary here for sure, but it simply didn't hit target yet. When these candles form at, like, I call them in the middle places, because we're not at target yet, we're not at like the top of the wedge even yet. So then I take them kind of with a grain of salt, because we will most likely just go further, right? And the reason I say that we can actually flip through the 6.5 and 6.18, like I said before, is because of the shorts, right? They went up so quickly. So what happens is, if we break through here, they all need to stop, and then we might see like a quick push through all the way to 7.9, right? That is a possibility. I'm not saying it will happen, definitely not. I'm still sticking with my plan of 7.4, 7.5, but it is a possibility that you need to keep in mind, right? So Guys, it's honestly just a very quick update on Bitcoin because that is all I have on it, right? If you still want to get into Bitcoin right now for long, that is not too much recommended because we're already in wave 5 and we're well on our way to that 618. And I mean, it's very risky. If you do want to get in, then buy in and put your stop at, like, you know, below the 0.5 fib or something. That is something you could do, but it's definitely not recommended, right? So yeah, guys, I mean, that's pretty much the update today. Also, if you're not in the Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions, and it's just a great chat box to be in, right? So let's just take a look what's going on here. Here's indeed the shorts. That's a good chart there, Rob. Up 50% exactly. So then we have Eric again with something from his own channel, from the FUD Club. OMG is still looking good, I agree. On a higher time frame, it's still looking very good, because what you can see here is basically here would be the resistance right under where it was previous support, right? So yeah, it's definitely still looking good. A funny picture of the shorts, exactly. They'll just get racked, boom, by a bull. I always stick to the plan, Rochelle. Always stick to the plan of 7475. That is correct. You just always stick to the plan. You only go off the plan if it does something completely different, right? If it breaks structure. It hasn't broken structure, so we stick with the plan. That's simply how it is. So yeah, patiently waiting to sell ontology. Exactly. If you have a target in mind, just wait patiently for it to get there, and then sell, right? Also, guys, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs. When I find the ICO, I'll tell you guys about it, so you can whitelist for it, and you are ready for the sale, right? What I look for in the ICO is obviously a strong team. I look for infrastructure projects such as blockchains and protocols. And of course, I look at a low token metric, right? So low market cap, so it's easy to flip and we can make some money of it. But at the moment, I do have to tell you guys that Ethereum and Neo are at a low price. So ICOs are very risky, and I wouldn't suggest going into them at the moment, okay? So that's that, guys. Also, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz. And follow me on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygoz. And if you want to see me play some games, I do stream every now and then on Mixer, which is mixer.com/Pygoz. I might switch that over to Twitch as well, because I'm honestly not sure about Mixer, right, guys? So that's that, guys. Both Telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.